fast, clean and precise. The HEUFT Tornado provides optimal results during the wet glue labeling of all types of containers. It applies neck, front and back labels perfectly even in the high-speed section of up to 72,000 containers per hour. It has a high degree of automation which ensures the shortest changeover times when changing brands and replacing change parts. Durable components and a compact, hygiene-friendly design minimize the amount of maintenance required by the labeling machine. As a result, the HEUFT Tornado achieves maximum operational reliability and efficiency.